How to grant display over other apps permission on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to let an app show its content on top of other apps you're using. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Apps. From there, select the app you want to grant this permission to. At this point, tap on Permissions. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Display over other apps, or additional permissions if it's not shown directly. Following this, toggle on Allow Display over other apps. Even if that option doesn't show up, you may just go ahead and turn on Picture-in-Picture. Once done, this app can now appear on top of your screen even while you're using other apps. Keep in mind, only grant this permission to apps you trust, since it lets them show content over anything you're currently doing on your phone. Finally, repeat these steps for any other app that needs this permission. And that's it. If this guide helped you grant display over other apps permission on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.